Hi, fifth graders. So I am just going to walk you through the steps of dividing when you have a decimal in your dividend. So I'm actually on page 161 of your math expressions book, and I'm walking through the example that they feature, the big one. So first things first, we notice that 20 and 25 has a decimal point. What's different about dividing with a decimal point is that you have to keep that decimal point in the same spot in your quotient. So the first thing I'm ever going to do, if I can get the lid off of my pen, when I divide, is I'm going to bring that decimal point up right above where it is in the dividend to the quotient. Okay, and then I just like to divide like normal. I pretend that the decimal point isn't there and continue on the normal steps for division. So 3 goes into 20. 3 can go into 26 times. Maybe I'll just hold this up for you. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. So now we're going to follow our same steps for division and bring down that 2. Now I have 22 divided by 3. 3 can go into 22 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract, and I'm left with 1. Final step here is to bring down that 5, and now I have 15 divided by 3, which is a nice even 5. 5 times 3 is 15, and I am left with nothing, which is great. So my final answer is 6 75/100. So again, the biggest things to think about when dividing with a decimal is making sure that you place that decimal point in your quotient directly above that decimal point in your dividend. And then just to divide like normal. Okay, hopefully that helps. Good luck. Reach out if you have any questions.